सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू सी विलियम शेक्सपियर से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस जो कई सारे पेपरों में पूछे गए हैं. एंड विलियम शेक्सपियर इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ आवर एग्जाम्स, कॉम्पिटेटिव एग्जाम. सो लेट्स सी विलियम शेक्सपियर 1564 to 1616. First question is our: on seeing whom does Miranda exclaim, "Oh father, surely that is spirit, Lord, how it looks about"? कैलिबन, फर्डिनेंड, एलोंसो, स्टेफेनो. तो इसका आंसर होगा फर्डिनेंड. ऑन सीइंग फर्डिनेंड मिरांडा एक्सक्लेम, ओ फादर श्योरली दैट इज स्पिरिट, लॉर्ड हाउ इट लुक्स अबाउट. मिरांडा चार्मिंग एंड ग्रेसफुल गर्ल. शी इज वन ऑफ द most charming heroine of Shakespeare's play, the play Tempest. Next question is our: which of the following is not correctly matched? We are such stuff as dreams are made on. The Tempest. Fair is foul and foul is fair. Macbeth. If music be the food of love, play on. Twelfth Night. Some are born great, others achieve greatness. Richard II. तो ये डी वाला पार्ट करेक्टली मैच नहीं हो रहा है. ये उसका है डी. ये है सम आर बॉर्न ग्रेट, अदर्स अचीव ग्रेटनेस. रिचार्ड सेकंड. दिस लाइन हैज बीन स्पोकन बाय मलविलियो इन द 12th नाइट. ये 12th नाइट की लाइन है. सम आर बॉर्न ग्रेट, अदर्स अचीव ग्रेटनेस, ये 12th नाइट की लाइन है. तो बी आर सच स्टफ एज ड्रीम्स आर मेड ऑन, ये टेम्पेस्ट की लाइन है. फेयर इज फाउल एंड फाउल इज फेयर, मैकबेथ की लाइन है. इफ म्यूजिक बी द फूड ऑफ लव, प्ले ऑन. 12th नाइट. सम आर बॉर्न ग्रेट, अदर्स अचीव ग्रेटनेस, ये भी 12th नाइट की है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज आवर: हु इन रिचार्ड सेकंड किल्स रिचार्ड व्हेन ही हियर्स ऑफ हेनरीज कोरोनेशन? बोलिंगब्रोक, पियर्स एक्सटन एंड मेरी थॉमस मॉबरे. ये यूपीएससी जीडीसी 2021 में पूछा गया क्वेश्चन है. इसका आंसर होगा पियर्स एक्सटन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज आवर: whose speech is this? Present fears are less than horrible imagines. मैकबेथ, बैंको, मैकडफ, डंकन. तो ये आंसर है, ये स्पीच है मैकबेथ की. प्रेजेंट फेयर्स आर लेस देन हॉरिबल इमेजिन्स, मैकबेथ. एक्सप्लेनेशन हम देख लेते हैं. द गिवन फेमस स्पीच प्रेजेंट fears are less than horrible imagines is spoken by Macbeth in the play Macbeth in Act 1st, Scene 3rd. The play Macbeth is a tragedy written by William Shakespeare in about 1606, first published in the first folio of 1623 by Hemming and Condell. First folio कब हुआ था? 1623 by Hemming and Condell. The source of the play is Holland's Chronicles 1587. Hero of the play is Macbeth and heroine of the play is Lady Macbeth. Next question हमारा: In the Tempest, what are Miranda and Ferdinand doing in the final scene? Playing cards, carrying wood, playing chess, playing tag. तो इसका आंसर होगा playing chess. In the Tempest, Miranda and Ferdinand were playing chess in the final scene. The Tempest is the last play by English dramatist William Shakespeare. There are 5 acts in the play, first written and performed about 1611 and published in the first folios of 1623. It is classified as a comedy in first folio. Next question is our: who called Shakespeare an upstart crow? Robert Laffan, अनंत जुलाना, रॉबर्ट ग्रीन, लुक्रीन्स. तो ये इसका आंसर होगा रॉबर्ट ग्रीन. रॉबर्ट ग्रीन इज अ renowned for his connections with William Shakespeare. He attacked on Shakespeare's in Grott's worth of wit is an upstart crow beautified with our feathers. It is the first reference to Shakespeare as a London dramatist, and his pendesto provided Shakespeare with the source of the Winter's Tale. Next question है हमारा: who among heroes of Shakespearean plays has been described as melancholic and a neurotic, having Oedipus complex? Hamlet, Romeo and Juliet, Macbeth, Othello. तो इसका आंसर होगा Hamlet. Hamlet, hero of Shakespearean play, has been described as melancholic and neurotic, having Oedipus complex. Hamlet, Prince of Denmark is a tragedy in 5 acts written about 1599 to 1601 and published in quarto edition in 1603. In psychoanalytic theory, Oedipus complex denotes the emotion and ideas that the mind keeps in the unconscious, where via dynamic repression that concentrate upon a boy's desire to sexually possess his mother. Next question is our, which of the following plays of Shakespeare contains the line what a piece of work is man? मैकबेथ, ओथेलो, किंग लियर, हैमलेट. तो ये लाइन हमारी हैमलेट की है. हैमलेट. What a piece of work is man is a phrase within monologue by Prince Hamlet to recognize Rosencrantz and Guildenstern in Act Second, Scene Second. In William Shakespeare play Hamlet, Hamlet is reflecting at first admiringly and then disappearingly on the human condition. The late plays of Shakespeare in harmony, disharmony, tragedy, none of the above. तो इसका आंसर होगा द लेट प्लेज ऑफ शेक्सपियर एंड इन हार्मनी. द लेट प्लेज ऑफ शेक्सपियर एंड इन हार्मनी विलियम शेक्सपियर्स लेट प्लेज कंपेरिजिंग priceless Prince of Tyre Cymbeline, the Winter's Tale and the Tempest. प्राइसलेस प्रिंस ऑफ टायर, इसको पेरिक्लीज पढ़ा जाएगा. पेरिक्लीज प्रिंस ऑफ टायर, Cymbeline, the Winter's Tale and the Tempest. When Dowden argued that Shakespeare's late comedies should be called dramatic romance, he did so because they resemble late medieval and early modern romance, a genre in which stories were set across the immensity of space and time. Thus, appropriate answer is A. Next question हमारा 10 number. Who made the following statement? Neither a borrower nor a lender be, for loan oft lose both itself and friend, and borrowing dulls the edge of husbandry. Cordelia in King Lear, Macbeth in Macbeth, Rosal in As You Like It, Polonius in Hamlet. तो इसका आंसर होगा Polonius in Hamlet. इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन देख लेते हैं. The following statement, neither a borrower nor a lender be, for loan oft loses both itself and friend, and borrowing dulls the edge of husbandry, is a line uttered by Polonius, a counselor to the King Claudius in Act 1, Scene 3 of William Shakespeare's blog Hamlet. He is bidding farewell to his son Laertes, who is leaving Denmark for France. Laertes and his sister Ophelia are waiting for him at the harbour. So, this is question related to William Shakespeare. So today we are doing 10 questions. Next day we are doing 10 more questions. If you like my videos, then like, share and subscribe. Thank you.